Now with Yomi, it's extremely streamlined. It's so much more exact, it's more predictable. The cases that were complex, that were 8 and 9s, are now 3s and 4s. Say when you're freehanding, you're worried about a couple different things. You know, you're worried about the saliva on your mirror, you're worried about the way your neck is turned, you're worried about the tilt of the drill. You're not worried about any of that with robots. You can take all of that out of the equation, you just push.
Yomi absolutely removes all of the human error from things. It just basically took what we were already doing and elevated it to a level that makes patients more confident. Because we are able to be more conservative with our surgeries that we do with Yomi, that automatically cuts down on post-op pain after dental procedures immensely. It's almost to a point now that patients are surprised how good they feel the next day after having a surgery done, because it's night and day.
The robotic guidance, the haptic feedback, really gives us a sense of confidence, and the implant ends up exactly where we want it. Especially full arch cases with Yomi guidance, our full arch time in surgery has drastically reduced.
The accuracy is tremendous. I actually can tell that the smiles are better because Yomi has been involved.